Hello and welcome. In this video we are going to find dy by dx given that y equals 2x squared plus 3x plus 4 all divided by the square root of x. Now before you go on to use the quotient rule or the product rule of derivative, I would just want you to note something very important. I want you to know that we can rewrite this stuff as y equals to this x to the power of half, which is root x, can go in the numerator as x to the power of negative half, and then we just have 2x squared plus 3x plus 4. What did we just do? We took this x from the denominator and bring it in the numerator, and the power becomes negative. That's all. So the next thing we do is to multiply each term by this x to the power of negative half. So y is equals to x to the power of negative half times 2x squared is 2x raised to the power of 2 minus half. That's 3 over 2. So that's 3 over 2. X to the power of negative half times 3x. That's just 3x to the power of half. Because 1 minus half is just half. And then lastly we can have x to the power of negative half times 4 is 4x to the power of negative half. At this junction, we can differentiate. What is the derivative of y? That's dy over dx equals to find the derivative of this, we multiply the power by the coefficient. So it's 2 times 3 over 2. Rewrite this x and subtract 1 from 3 over 2. So 3 over 2 minus 1 is just 1 over 2. Plus, multiply this power by the coefficient, so that's half x, subtract 1 from this power, that is negative half, and do the last one, you have 4, multiply this 4 by the coefficient, which is negative half, and rewrite this x, subtract 1 from negative half, that's negative 3 over 2. Therefore, dy by dx is equals to, now this 2 and this 2 goes out, you have 3x to the power of half plus this is 3 over 2 x to the power of negative half, and this is minus 2x to the power of negative 3 over 2. Now let's go ahead and simplify more further. We have dy over dx equals to this x to the power of half is the same as root x. So this is 3 root x, and this x to the power of negative half goes in the denominator, it becomes x to the power of positive half. So this is plus 3 over 2 root x. I'm going to write this as minus 2x to the negative half times x to the negative 1. Because x to the negative half, x to the negative 1, you take one of the base and then you add a power, which gives you x to the negative 3 over 2. So I'll go right ahead and write dy by dx equals to 3 root x plus 3 over 2 root x minus this and this are going to go in the denominator. So I'm going to have 2 over x, this goes, it becomes x, and this goes, it becomes root x. And this is the result.